I don't know. It looks like a mystery to me. I don't know. Some of it makes me look shady.
If I looked carefully at them, I wouldn't have a clue.
They look like they contain some sort of powder, but I honestly don't know.
Something toxicating, drugs, something like similar effect to drugs, right?
I think the way they're contained, it looks like something like candy or something.
Yeah, exactly.
The pop thing which like bubbles in your mouth when you were younger.
I can see that one is for men. It looks, quite sophisticated, doesn't it? Elegant.
It looks like it's marketed at teenagers.
Yeah, I mean, they look cool, like if you grab them, I don't know, the way they're packaged, like obviously this one sends a message that if you take this, you're classy, which is clearly not the case.
I mean, of course, no one sells bath salts like this today. If you want bath salts, you go to Lush.
I think it can be used as an excuse for those who want to have an effect of drugs. They say, oh yeah, maybe it's not dangerous because it's allowed by law or something. But if they continue using it, then they might get in a higher stage of addiction, or they want to explore other options which are not allowed by law.
It looks very civilized, Highness.
There's something about it that looks really legitimate, yeah.
I would question just the regulation of the whole thing.
Like warn people, so tell them what are the effects.
I would support something which defined, effectively by the effect that they have on people rather than what's in them, and that they should be banned if there's any concerns that they could have the sort of effects that some of the drugs that we already ban would have.
I suppose you go into schools and you take these kind of products in with you and you talk about them, and perhaps you find someone who has had experience and something has happened to them.
I think education is probably the way to go. Generally, if you ban something, then it finds another way through.
It should be prohibited together with awareness.
I think it needs to be like cigarettes, a government warning put on it. But if it's illegal, how are you going to stop it? It's very difficult to police it, I think.
From what I understand, they just, if they ban one particular type, they just change the formula and sell it. I mean, they're going to have to ban the whole thing. Legalize just will have to be stopped altogether.
So you have to know what you're consuming, don't you? Simple as that. So.
I've got teenage kids. How am I going to know what my kids are consuming? And if it's legal, how am I even going to be able to stop them?
No, I certainly do not. I can't believe it. We've got things for alcohol, we've got things for cigarettes, and these are very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I don't know how the loophole is there. I don't understand it.
They found a loophole, so legally they should be able to sell them, but I would frown upon it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't like them. I have young cousins, and I would hate the idea that they would buy this kind of thing.
Maybe their friend bought this one and it was fine, but they couldn't get that, so they bought this one and it's not fine. So, yeah, I think it's definitely something that needs to be controlled a bit more.
If that's the effect that they're doing, then of course you'd look to try and get them off the high street.